We are making a strawberry protein bar. So let me show you the ingredients. Raw oats, vegetarian protein, chia seeds, applesauce, oat milk, avocado oil, strawberry jam, maple syrup, cinnamon. A smart dessert, because we're not going to use any butter, any eggs, we're not going to use any milk, and we're not going to use any regular sugar. We are going to use 2 cups of raw oats. 2 cups of raw oats. We are using 1 cup of protein. You can use, this is a vegan protein, it's a vegetarian protein, but you can use the protein it agrees with you, the protein you like. We're gonna give it a quick mix. I want it to get a little fluffy. 1 teaspoon of the chia seeds. You see, this way when you're using the chia seeds, you don't have to use the egg. And we're gonna use 1/4 of a teaspoon with cinnamon. We're gonna give it a mix. Smells so good. No flour. So this recipe is gluten-free. We are gonna use the wet stuff. We're gonna use 1 cup of oat milk. So this is non-dairy. We're not using any milk. We are going to use 1/4 of a cup of avocado oil. No butter. 1 cup of applesauce. We're gonna use a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup. 1/4. We are going to preheat the oven to 375. So we're gonna use the dry stuff. Put the dry stuff in the wet spot. And now we're gonna mix it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover it and we're gonna put it in a freezer for like a 1/2 hour. Because colder it is better it's going to bake. Because we didn't use any butter, we didn't use any eggs, we didn't use any milk, and we didn't add any regular sugar. So more it stays in the refrigerator. So it's been 30 minutes in the freezer, the mix for the strawberry bar, protein bar. And now we're gonna put it on the baking tray. And I use parsnip paper. This way you don't have to use butter. Put it down. This is a great breakfast. I've been doing it for a while and I've been very happy with it because it fills me up. But at the same time, it doesn't make me feel guilty. So now we're gonna add the strawberry jam. So here, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put probably like 6 tablespoons of strawberries. 5. Dry stuff right on the top. You just gotta be sure we just have to cover the strawberry. So we're gonna let it cook. We're gonna let it bake for 40 minutes. Okay, so now what I do with the parsnip paper, I'm just gonna cut the extra. So we're gonna put in the oven, the middle shelf, 375. You know, this shirt, I made it when we had the pump in Brooklyn. Not many people know the pump started in Bensonhurst in Brooklyn. Yes. And then we moved to the city. This is the only shirt I have for the pump. Now you know where's my inspiration behind my cooking is. 40 minutes. Let's see how strawberry protein bar doing. Wow. You can get about 6 protein bars out of this tray. But right now it's still hot. For this to make it as a bar, you need overnight in a refrigerator to cool down. Look at this. Does that look amazing or what? I cannot wait to try it. I think I went beyond and beyond and beyond. I think I made a protein bar, strawberry flavor, and I just love it because I have it for breakfast every day and it makes me feel good. It fills me up and it gives me the energy I need for the day. So I would like you to try it and tell me what do you think. It doesn't have no butter, no milk, no flour, no sugar.
You are the expert.
I mean, it doesn't happen overnight. You know, you think about it, you try a few times, you adjust till you get it right. I mean, I said no sugar, but we did use maple syrup.
Yeah.
And then you're using the strawberry jam. Because look, you go buy a protein bar, it's like $2.50, $3. You make this, you have it for 6 days, and it will cost you a lot less, and you know what did you put in a product.
Yeah.
I believe in food that tastes good and is good for you. Good energy, good food.
Every day.
Bam!